Hi, my name is Sam Castro, and I want to show you my senior project based on a fitness journey from home. I am an international student from Bolivia. I've always been very active in sports, but after I moved to the United States, keeping up and balancing out with my college life made it a little bit complicated. The inspiration behind this project is that I was very overweight and I decided that it was enough, and I was putting way too many excuses like I don't have time or I don't have the equipment, and the truth is I didn't feel good doing it. After a bariatric procedure, I decided to go back and started working out from home. And so this is what I did. The project has 3 sections. The research section that I had alongside with a nutritionist called Dana Justiniano. She and I worked on everything that was behind the blog post that I later developed. And the content creation, which is the second part of the project, is 5 blog posts, each of about 3,000 words, with images that I got, videos that I made myself, and obviously everything backed up with the nutritionist and her team that I was working with, and also other research done online. I also did the social media, which is the third section of the project, where I created a Facebook website and a WordPress where I posted all the blogs and was able to kind of see a result of engagement. Here in the following links, I'll be able to show you some of the things that I've done. I'll also post them on the description of the project, but essentially I wanted to inspire people to be more confident in their fitness journey, whether they think they're a little bit overweight or not. Obviously, the sleeve that I had helped me lose over 45 pounds, but the exercise that I did allowed it to be a very healthy weight loss journey, which is what I hope for everyone to get from my project. Thank you.